Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove AirPods from Find My app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open Find My. Then at that bottom toolbar hit on devices, that shows you all your devices, and from that list you should select your AirPods. Then it shows you AirPods location on the map, and right here at the very bottom you can scroll down for a bit, and then in order to remove it from Find My you should tap right here at remove this device. Now it says that this device will reappear if it connects to the internet and Find My is turned on. So just hit at remove to remove it from your Find My app. After that, you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.